All right, income-based wage tax refunds. This is really important because I think this is information that a lot of Philadelphians don't know. And that is for very low income residents and employees in Philadelphia, the city offers a reduced wage tax rate. So for residents, it's like 3.74%. For non-residents, it's like 3.43, 3.44. For very low income individuals, we give them a reduced rate. It's 1.5%. The employer does not withhold at the lower rate. It's up to the employee to request a refund on the difference between what they paid and what they actually are required to pay. So how do you know if you're eligible? If you're a resident of the state of Pennsylvania and you qualify for the state forgiveness program, which is called essentially when you file your state income tax, it will include a Schedule SP, which is like special tax forgiveness. And if you qualify for special tax forgiveness for the state of Pennsylvania, then you are also eligible for the reduced wage tax rate in the city of Philadelphia. Folks should file your you should file your Pennsylvania income tax first, and it's going to have that Schedule SP along with it, because we're going to ask you to submit that to us, as well as your W-2 showing your federal, state, Medicare, and local wages. Huge, we see this a lot where, folks just they don't submit they don't submit their whole PA-40. We send them a letter. We need this document. Just submit the whole tax return. Just send us a copy of your whole state tax return. And ideally that will help provide us all of the information that we need in order to process this. And so, this is the state. These income levels are set by the state, so they change every year. And, for a family of four, if you're making less than $46,000 or just under $47,000, you're eligible for this. So folks should, if you're single, if you're married, it's $53,000. So it is, I don't think enough people who are qualified for this do not take advantage of it. So I want to make sure that folks on this call now know. So when you're talking to your neighbor, you can let him know that there's a refund available to you for your Philadelphia wage tax.